I guess under enemy projectiles, so it is not obstructing anything. Port. I'm sure at this point. I mean, that wasn't the plan. That is gonna be hard to catch, I'm not gonna lie. Catch this. Welcome YouTube to the final push. Jesus. We're gonna need to push this game out today. 1, 2, 3. There is not enough zombies now. And we found a stupid bug. Subscribe YouTube, subscribe YouTube. That's too early. That's way too early into a YouTube video. It only fails when it is more than 5, right? But that is fine. This is fine. Yeah, okay. So, hi YouTube. We have... That said, now the Lich is not talking in-game. Right? I haven't noticed it. Why? Okay, there it is. I was just not paying attention for some reason. Or hold on, is this like a weird gosh, I hope it is a weird Usagi not reloading everything thing. Rewatch 5 times YouTube. I don't have YouTube memberships yet, but I learned recently that if you download a video or like a channel that you have memberships to, it counts as 100% watch time, basically. So yeah, we have music now, we have enemies, we have a little bit more text, we have hit feedback. What do we have? Oh yeah, skellies. Hold on. Skellies, not these skellies, the other skellies. These skellies got changed. Now they do a little you see that little zigzag? That annoying zigzag. Catch it, catch it, catch it! Let's go! I need to randomize the music because now it is going through all the Lujong tracks. Also, zombies don't have 1 HP anymore. That might be too much. We will see. I need to lower the music volume. That more. Where is my... No, it is on random. We just found the Lujong tracks. What do we have? We have an intro. You will have to watch YouTube for it. Oh man, that would be a cool shot, honestly. To like show the intro, cut some music under it. Probably in the game music, which I made, by the way. We're gonna listen to it in a moment. But like, just do the intro with a game music. Then like, I don't know, fade into like a game out now, whatever skin. I don't know. Cool short idea, I guess. We have music. I have made music. I'm using a beatbox as not usual, because usually I use Picoid, but come on. Beatbox. I'm using beatbox because it's a cool tool. It is close to Picoid technically, and like somewhat in like how it works. Like at least to me, it is close to Picoid. Let me remove this Usagi here because there is like some controls here, but I rarely use those. Basically, beatbox, if people don't know, it's a really cool tool. You can go into your browser, open it, and it beeps and boops. And you can have like tracks and set up multiple variation to tracks and multiple layers and such. I don't know how. I guess I can modify the volume here. That's instrument volume. Oh yeah, this is gonna be then the window volume, right? Oh yeah, and we have music. Hold on, it's not perfect, but it is one of those tracks that I'm like not piercing my ears out of because of it. Like, you know, like, I think the only track that I was happy with during my my game development is the track for draft crawl, which I called Crypt, right? My library, not my library profile. Crypt, yeah. The track for Crypt is like the first track I made that I'm like, oh, this is not that bad. And it is very simple. Not even sure if. It's like a very short loop, but I'm very happy with it. And this is basically my first track that I was like, oh, this almost sounds like music. I have no music theory knowledge. I tried to learn music many times and I just cannot. There is a risk of resources run. No. So yeah, this is the second that I'm like, huh, this is not that bad. So we're just gonna play it from the front. We're gonna keep it very simple, just a simple loop. Nothing more is needed because this is just gonna be a background track. But it's not that. Very simple loop. Like a very old school chiptune stuff. So I'm very happy with it. Not very, but I'm happy with it. I think don't get too far. I'm just happy with it. So I just downloaded it, and now we need to figure out Usagi how to play music in Usagi, because I have absolutely no clue how to play music in Usagi. Music loop name is it that easy? Play and loop forever. Cool. Is there like an EX so I can set volume if I want? I mean, I guess the normal should set it. Music loop. So now let me move the file. Also, let's get back to this. Oh, no need. I put this over my old school voxel art videos. Such a cool track. Love it. Download PPJJGG WoW. 9 megabytes. Fuck. We need to convert to something else. That is crazy. It's crazy. Should not be that big. Wish them very big. I guess not crazy, because crazy is technically not a nice word to say. It is stupid that a simple WoW wave can be this big. I guess I'm using the WoW wave, so it's user error, but I would love to reduce this in size. I'm not sure if we will be able to make it as small as the lowest jam game, which I managed to make it so little that the actual Lua file, which you will need Lua installed for, but it is what launches the game, it's on a floppy disk. I would love to do that with Usagi, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to, because I have no clue how big of a wrapper Usagi puts over the whole thing. I guess I can build a Löwe, and from Löwe make the Löwe executable. Not executable, but just like the Löwe file. Whatever, post-jam things. Intro music.loop. I assume this is also searching the same SFX folder. Does it talk about searching the SFX folder? No, I need a music slash. Okay, cool. I'm not mad at all. Get folder, music. Is this? Music loop, PPJJGG. I assume I don't need the extension here either. Wow, and it plays, what the hell? I guess it should start in the menu itself, not in the lower. So let me put Usagi back. Papa. So don't forget this. Live streams. Doing the final push for the yam. Boom. Relax, stay alive, cool. So technically you don't start here, and it is very much too loud, I feel. Is there like a music loop EX? Track values in your own game state. If you track values in your own game state, engine doesn't export getters by blah blah blah. Let's see that we don't have loop EX. I assume the mutate would do. Modulate the currently playing track. So hold on. Can I? This is in player. So I do music loop, and I do music is it on modulate? Mutate. 08 1-1. I don't know what is like pitch and pitch pen. Yeah, that's 1-1. I don't want it to be too loud. I guess I could like export it in a. Oh, that's very much loud. Oh, there's the music setting. Oh. Usagi knows the difference between music and SFX? Goated. I don't know how to set the default value though. John Usagi. Is there like a way to tell? Another question: is there a way to set the default volume parameters for an HTML export, so I can pre-config the bounce values I feel like without modifying this source. Dot volume. Okay. Set the menu. This, what is it? Effect. I forgot. Settings. Music SFX values. Menu. Settings. SFX. And music levels. Reset to not default 100%. I guess I could look into config, but I don't remember config talking about this. What does it? Is it too loud? That might be a bit too loud. Even for me. No. I'm just gonna send this and they will answer once they can. And they can answer when they want to. Guess I can do it here, but oh, I don't hear anything. What? Am I using mutate wrongly? Yes, I'm using mutate wrongly. Mutate. Mutate volume pitch. All 4 play loops, stop, play, X calls are callable from init, so title track can start the moment the Windows opens. No one get blah blah blah. Again, I don't care about that. No. OG is recommended for music as they are small and cross-platform. I think that is what I converted my love to this stuff into in the end. SFX is loaded fully into memory and one-shotted music is decoded incrementally on the audio thread. It's interesting that yeah, the mutate is wrong. I'm using mutate wrongly. No, not option correctly is used defaulted to 1580, but did some investigation and what other games engines do seem to mostly defaulted to Sunday Searchy. Yeah, Chaj. I guess I have to play around with source volume then. Do not want people playing dev when they open the gem page. Okay, so it's fun of ones, but remove. I guess We can cut back the volume of all the instruments in the beatbox. Export it, or like save it, but it is called export. PPJJGG half. I love the option for this, by the way. Usagi, give us the option to set default values. I don't care about what other engines do. They are wrong on that. I think SFX and music at 100% should be reasonable volume. I disagree. I guess my music is too loud then. I don't know. Whatever. That's gonna be a small friction point for me. I wanted something. Oh yeah, half the volume. VGG off, I think it is called. Yes. Is it 100% now? Yes. Slow most of the music. Oh, it doesn't loop. Oh, doesn't loop. Why does it not loop? Why does it not loop? No! Not looping for me. Is it required to be called somewhere to be looped? Can I call it from anywhere? Hit music. Now it restarted. What the fuck? Is it like a beatbox doing something? Hold on. Let's listen to the Wolf. Okay. Oh yeah, I probably cannot drag from gram to VLC. Understandable. Yeah, it's beatbox doing something. Okay, remove selected. Okay, file, export, no outro, loop count 1, PPJJGG, wolf 2, final, save. We all know the final or the ausdosd. Final video. Download. Music. Was it the outro thing? I think this is already going way longer than last time it did. Yep. Cool. And it remembers music levels across launches. Lovely. Okay, my bad on that. No, 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 no. What you playing? Okay, cool. We have music. Wow. So technically, I don't need these two files. Hey, Tunar. Thank you. Almost. That's the wrong two files. We cut them, I think. Team. I guess OST. Yep, I tried to open a WAV file. Valid. Yes, yes, yes. OST book. Fixes. Oh yeah. Projectiles are not deleted when they are off screen. So let's do. I should do helpers honestly for this at some point, but. Yeah, this should not be this. If greater than 0 or self.y greater than 420 or self.x less than -8 or self.x greater than, this is the other way, 320. 20, I guess 320 is okay. It's 320, right? Yep. You can check this quickly with modifying the wave to be just a mage, because they like to spam bullets, and in the update we can just do ranged enemy projectile, the length of it. So 0, 13. No, they are not deleting. Huh? Are you making some weird logic bullshit here? Oh, okay, I know. This is just the player projectile for some reason, because the game is jank. This is handled elsewhere. Here. Please. This is why you don't write gen code. Rog. Don't write gen code, kids. Except on gems. On gems it is acceptable. They're still not deleting. Hello. Oh yeah, I forgot the copy V, my bad. Yeah, they are falling back down now. Cool. We're gonna move this and this to here. This is basically the code that does the little speech bubbles that we are using. And what I will have to do is grab grab. I mean, I guess the in-game is okay. Where is it? Where is it? Odd leech water text. Where is this? Oh, it's on the top. Manual. Game state lost, yes, but how am I setting this? In player, right? And this, text scroll helper I will need. Player. Boom. And here I need to define an array that is the lines that the leech wants to say, basically. And I will do a video once the gem over about everything in the code, because we skipped a lot of things. Against the mighty Fletch. Now I can go and continue my evil deeds. We can drop a muhaha at the end of muhaha. Just for it to be funny. So interestingly, oh yeah, because on the 5th one we end the game. So I don't want to add a text if this is the 5th one. If water buckets less than equals 4, then because on the 5th one we're gonna end the game. Get rid of these dummy wave. We're gonna have to configure 10 waves as well, by the way. This is why I'm trying to move a bit. There's my big Usagi. Oh, the cat is in the way. I guess big Usagi has to get a little smaller. Yeah, I should pause you being able to move here. Also, I think I'm still hearing the sound effect. No, I'm not hearing the sound effect. It is still speaking though. It's weird. It should not be... Like, the animation should not continue. I'm not sure why it is continuing. Yeah, the still speaking should stop. Self-text, self-line, yeah, they should stop. Interesting. I guess that is gonna be like a bug that we're gonna have to live with. I guess the muhahaha can be way longer just for comedic effect. There you go. I think that is long enough. That's what she said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that can be like even once more appended. Ooh-ha. I also wanted to do something. Oh yeah, stop the player from moving when the game's over. Which can be done in the player handler. If game state equals no, I think this is value inside game state time game states game states menu, then and right there. I need to look into configuring gram, because I guess not gram, it's like the loading inside of it. It is doing some stuff that I don't want it to do. I guess technically that is gram. Oh yeah, and we need to clear the last one. You see how 4th and now it overlays? I need to clear the speak. Yeah, that muhahaha is needed. I cannot say that many ha-ha-has after immersion 10. After, yeah. After, I don't know. One after the other. But this is how you know that I'm tired. Sometimes I just speak half in Hungarian. So clear in game speak. There on, thank you. I should make a debug value for the bucket. Also, we need to make the pairs for the victory and the defeat screen so it wobbles the same way as the title card does. That doesn't seem right. Oh yeah, this. Because this is looping. They should only happen if the game state is game state equals if you are in the game actually. There we go. Now it should go. And if this is done, we're gonna do the same for the victory. Yep. And now it stopped talking. Oh, I guess it talked because I was adding the text over. You know? Like this text. I was adding it every frame. And you did not see it overlay itself. And this animation is tied to the internal frame system, so it is always the same. Oh yeah, it's right. Ich bite. Ich bite. Ah. Sprint. Victory. There's a character who says victory for the Forsaken, and I don't know who says that. And we don't have the time to go on the journey. Defeat. Okay, maybe you can go on a quick journey if Google finds it. Victory for the Forsaken. Who says this? I feel like a unit in a game says this, and I don't know which one. Whatever. It's right. Don't get distracted. So how I did the wobble is basically I somewhat redo the letters, remove some from them, and like for example here I would extend this and this, maybe remove this and this, put the I a bit over, redraw a T a bit, throw it up here and here, draw the O a little lower, this also a little, yes I should just do this. There we go. Remove this. I don't like how messy. I mean, I liked how the game is messy sometimes, but that is too messy even for my taste. Don't like this C, but also this on the T. I don't like. So save this. And oh yeah, let's do defeat as well if we are here. Make it better and draw this a bit outside. Put this a bit up and this a bit like more down. There, do A bit higher, and up here I guess. Move this a bit down, move this a bit up, and change how it curves. There you go. Saved. We go back to the code into main Lua, and what we do is basically this. So copy this, because this is the offset line that does all this. Offset line, and is it the same? Is it the 96? Because I'm skipping a line. Yes, okay. Because technically that stays the same. We just need to add the sprite offset to the Y value. We are moving on the Y index. There is a track here with vocals, what the hell? I need to download more Slam House by at some point. Look, it is already wobbling. It's not wobbling as much. I would love this, so hold on. Move the E down the sprite sheet. Move the other E a bit up. And move the E down. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. That is some wobble. That said, the T moving down is not that pronounced. So, one more. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a few looping tracks. I have like, what, 40 minutes of music here? Roughly. What is this? I selected, can you tell me? Uh, 56 minutes. But it is on random, so it will loop from time to time. We're not gonna hear it much, because at max we are going for like 3 hours at max. Let's add the victory screen back. Oh, that the victory also wobbles a lot. I don't like how the C and T wobbles. All the other are okay. So we're gonna come back to A sprite. And honestly, I'm just gonna cut out this. What is it? It's the victory. So it's O and the T. Shut the fuck up, you stupid bot. Get the fuck out of my stream. Get banned, bozo. Oh. And I'm just gonna copy this. I know they are not gonna move much this way. I mean, hold on. I guess we can wobble them a bit. This already wobbles. How about moving the R like down a bit as well? Is it too much? Continue. No, I like that. The V is a bit jank, but the whole game is. So let's tie in the actual victory, which will be this down here. Not even this. This is debug stuff. I guess it can stay. Victory is gonna be... I guess I can tie that into the actual gameplay because it doesn't rely on the player itself. Of the game, and at the very end, if not water buckets, if wave. Oh, I guess I'm setting this at the player, so the game might try to spawn a new wave already. Oh no. Where am I spawning the new wave? Here. So if wave index is less than 10, I guess 11 technically, else enemies and enemies equals game state equals game states dot one game speak, empty the in-game speak, and here add the oh yeah, I'm not showing the code, oops. So I'm just renaming Lich Victory. This isn't the Lich ones, renaming the name of this. So what I've done is the actual victory is gonna come when we have no enemies, but we defeated the 10th wave. So unless it is the 11th, just spawn a new wave, otherwise empty them, set to 1, clear the current speak if there is a speak. And this is gonna be Lich defeat no, I cannot believe these goons, those two. A frog. Now my potion cannot be done. Curse you, totally average. I don't know how to spell average. I always spell it wrong. Is it AEA? AEA, yeah. I will be Bach. Oh yeah, I removed the victory button. Game. I guess I should wave index equals 11, clear enemies, spawn next wave, remove the spawn next wave for now. No, I cannot believe these goons lost to a frog. Potion cannot be done. Crush a total average frog. I will be back. It doesn't stay long enough though. Why does it not stay? It should have an idle time. Which is more than a second. I feel like this was way faster. We can increase this, I guess. Yep, that's okay with me. Bam. And if I press this button, we just reset the game. So one thing I do want to add though is I want to make a heart spawn, and I'm not sure how. Because you can lose HP, but you cannot regain HP. You can also tank like hits and kill enemies just by contact if you really want. But without, you know, HP spawning, it is kind of hard to... Holy shit, I need to tune the ratio when these what's this arrow, by the way? Because I don't have any more waves, right? Yeah, that is that wave. Okay, enemy, you are doing the big projectile way too often, so we're gonna tune these even more down. We have a victory screen, we have a defeat screen. We can just restart the game. What else? Clear enemies. Oh yeah, skellies. Can I... Can I somehow... Oh, add starts. Nope, ads don't start. Can I somehow make it so that the skellies are like offset, so they are not following the same, you know, sine wave all the time? I guess if I can do attack started 0, self dot attack started equals Usagi dot elapsed. That is a bit too loud. Oh, let's do it differently then, because I'm tying this to state. I don't want to introduce a whole self-stick system for enemies. I mean, I guess we could, because they don't leave us. I mean, sure. Takes for attack animation. Takes for attack animation equals math random 0.60. Subdot takes for animation plus equals 1. If self dot text animation greater than 9, then self dot take animations equals 0. And then there's this. Should be somewhere here. There. This is self dot take animation. Take it. That's one. That's a lot of us. See how they are not following the, like they're not moving at the same time, I guess is the proper term. I hate those skellies. They became very nasty and annoying, which I like. So Skelly solved. Print. Added projectile. I'm fine with that one. Player lure. I don't need the second one though. It's like the projectile count. Where is it? Is it in the main one? Maybe in the main one, yep. Do we have everything? I guess I could randomize the props when you start a new game, but eh. Oh yeah, we have a toggle auto fire button. Someone sent me in the Usagi Discord a way to make this the way I wanted to. I could understand it, but I'm not risking it today, so it's not gonna happen. Protect the ponds. Water, I guess, is the proper term now. Might need a print outline function. You do have a print outline function, right? I should have it. Yes, color, background color. Peppers outline. This. White, GFX. Color, black. I don't say it. Blue. Okay, it is happening. I guess I don't have to worry with, this might be like a weird leftover from when this was Epicoid stuff. Oh, no, it doesn't care. Okay, so it's just not... Oh yeah, it is there, it's just not noticeable, but helps the text read better. Is the game done? When will it be done? Will it taste good? I'm not sure if it will taste good. I don't advise tasting electricity. Done? Somewhat? I was looking at like last minute stuff. I think I've fixed everything. We need to define the 10 waves the player has to fight through. But otherwise, I think that's all. I need to remove this debug from here. Need a reminder somewhere. Game state lost. We now have a proper lost and won screen. I'm not sure if I reset everything that I need to. Wave index is... These are all reset. Water buckets. You can just search for space. I mean, validate just looks weird. Water buckets. Yeah, I am resetting it. In-game speak. Wave index is reset. Enemies projectile. Player health is reset. I think that's all. The player is tied to the screen. I mean, technically enemies can go off screen. The skellies, if they start their movement at the very edge of the screen. I'm not fixing that. I don't care about that. Good luck. The skelly who zigzags technically can go a bit off screen. Not much because they start moving to the left or right based on like a border around the game edge, but it is not the actual canvas edge. It is a little bit tied more into, like there is a margin, I guess is the term. Music is in, SFX is in. Oh yeah, I need to fix these. Pond protect. Usagi, your game name. What is this game ID? I don't know what this does. Game ID? Saves as per game namespace by game ID. Does it do anything else? I'm not saving anything. Save inspector, don't care. Optional. I guess it is optional. But we can name it something. Your game name, Ochi Pond Protect. There you go. Surely someone use this same name, and if you do, sucks to be you. We can set like an icon as well, right? Am I crazy? Am I just imagining things? Fallbacks config. Pixel perfect. I think I have that enabled, right? I don't. Weird. Icon. One base tile index into sprite PNG. Ugh. One base tile index into sprite PNG. Uses a window icon and on Usagi export target macOS and the up icon. Oh, I guess the sprite sheet, right? I just give an index to the sprite sheet. I guess 1 then. So it is the frog. Is my GameDev view. Icon. Also 1. It doesn't say specify like. Hold on, I probably need to restart this. Usagi Dev. Yeah, it says spawn protect, and now the frog is. I need the background for the frog, dang it. So we might do some A sprite shenanigans. Pa-pa-pa-pam. There we go. And now this should be 13. Close the Usagi window, Usagi Dev. Oh, now you probably don't even see it, right? Because this is a different name window. OBS is like, yeah, I don't know this. I haven't heard of this, man. That's not that one. Phone protect, there you go. And I need to finish the game website because that is very jank. And make that thumbnail image as well. Which I have the template for already. Just need to modify it because I don't like. I mean, I guess I can show it to you. Phone protect. So at the moment, it looks like this. This is not bad per se, but I don't like this water edge. I very much don't like it. I like how the enemies, you know, line themselves up. It's like a style I started to do it on my games, so I'm fine with that. Just don't like this water edge at all. So we'll have to like do that, and I have to do like the tags for the game, and do the thumbnail in Inkscape and things like that. Anything else come to my mind? Oh yeah, waves. I'm like, we are done? No, we are not done. So this is your first introduction to the mages. So how about just hide them behind normal enemies. Bit. So this is the 4th. Oh, you don't remember the volume anymore because you're a different game, I guess, technically. Maybe here. Oh yeah, wave index 10. Nope, 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 nope. I only need this. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Wave 4 introduces shields and arrows. Wave 5 introduces the mages. I mean, I guess I need not shielded guys, because then you have to dodge only bullets. Let's do zombies here and there. I think that's okay, right? It should be fine. There we go. Oh yeah, hearts. I forgot hearts. Stop it! It is 20% high. Huh? Huh? How? What? What is that? 7? 8 of 9? Surely I misconfigured something. It should not be that common. Oh, it's the other way. Oopsies. It's the aim shot that should be common, not the spiral, like the circle. So the difference between the skellies and the spear throwing skellies and the mages is everything that throws a spear just throws it downwards. Nothing just goes vim down. While the mages are actually shooting at you at the moment when like they calculate where you are. They just do a direction to your position when they started to shoot. Ah. There you go. Stop it. Cool. This might be a bit bigger. Hold on, sneeze. I hit my knee into my PC case. And it is very painful because it is metal and pointy. Ouchie. So yeah, compared to the other ones, I mean, I guess it is wave 5, so halfway through the game. This might be a bit too much. I guess I could remove the inner two maybe and solve them to skellies. So these two. So this way the mages are like on the side. So even more of a pain. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. They can shoot very fast though. I guess this is the fault of how my logic works on selecting an attacker. So the lower end should be a bit higher. Let's do 25. So I'm almost waiting a second between each attack, at least. Wave 6. How about we make the first big wave? Let's use one of these. For now, I mean, Kelly's on the back. Zombies, and put 2 tanks on the front just to be cheeky. You know what? Fully to the front. Yeah, it's still not like difficult. Just your first big wave, I guess. You see, this is what I was talking about, like the Skelly being able to move a screen. That is the worst case solution that we saw there. Not the solution, but like the worst that can happen. Cool. Set a few rangers into this. Mages. Rangers. Rangers. It's not gonna be a hard game. I don't mind it not being a hard game. I would much rather have everyone be able to play and finish the game than create something that is hard and people are gonna get frustrated about not being able to finish it. I'm not saying I don't want to challenge the player. Imagine. I think that kind of happened with the button game, right, for you? Or did most players finish it? I would assume we had like a tricky one. Wasn't it there a Morse code one, maybe? There was one which was very tricky. Which I would be surprised if every player got. VLC? What happened? It did, and also mouse go roll. Mouse go roll is also hard. What happened? You'll have to play that, by the way. I'm so curious about it. I mean, technically, like, I still have one more enemy to the side, I'm pretty sure. I think this is the limit, it's like, what, 7? Because then they are almost just like going back and forth. Yeah, you see? Holy guacamole. Holy. Okay, this should not be the 8th level. Like, this may be the final one. Even for that, this is a tad more than what I would love. But you have to find out. No. But I don't mind something that is not this big. So like zombie. Let's do one more zombie. 2, 4. I guess I can have like an empty middle. That is a bit weird, but I'll remove this last line. Let's use tanks before the mages though. Just so they are not that easy of a target. to pick out in the middle. So this is the 8th wave. So why this is harder is basically they are moving down almost continuously. We should have time to clear it. Even more so because once you pick off the sides, they do it way slower. There we go. That's the 8th one. Just need 2 more technically. This is gonna be a short game, but I don't mind. Yippee! Weepy! I would love to introduce like almost a full Skelly line. Because they are just more pesky to deal with. I guess let's do Skelly here and Skelly here as well. They're just annoying. Oh, what is this? Wave 7 has Skelly, Skelly, Zombie, Zombie. We need to name these. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. How's time? I have plenty. 6. 7. Type your slows in your chat. 8. 9. So 7 is indeed Skelly Skelly. You know what? I'm gonna do one more row here, which is gonna be just 2 zombies here and there, like the front, I guess. You don't need to acknowledge it, you don't make it last longer. So 7. Holy shit, I hate the skellies. My own creation. Oh, that wave started very much on the edge. What happened there? Not sure what happened there, honestly. Holy what? Stop! Not a skelly! Not a skelly! No! Yeah, the first one. Okay. I know. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, this one as well started way to the side, which is weird because I need to look into my wave system. I don't remember this being a global setting, I guess. Oh, this was the 9th one? Let's give it a front row of zombies as well. Nail and zombie. I need to finish that book, by the way. Need to grab it from online somewhere. Enemies. Yeah, this is weird. Because it should be enemy specific. I'm not sure why a previous wave does something to the last one. I guess technically... Is it possible? No. Because this is checked. I guess I could set the walk right. Maybe it was set like the last time my enemies are moving that way, and that is why they are like trying to move that way. They still shouldn't start off screen, not off screen, but like off area. It's just weird to me. Huh, I don't know this. That's how Kermit the Frog. Jesus. I don't walk right through. I don't care. This is sad. No. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is not full size. I'm sorry. Brain or some reason I got to double the XFC notification for the next VLC song. Weird. I wanted to do something and I forgot. I guess the last wave, right? How could I make the life of the player a misery? I guess fill in the middle. Like 3 more mages. Because they are annoying as hell. Ranged here. Put a tank in front of it. The tank in front of it. Maybe too much if I add another row though. Is it too much? Might be too much. If I do like a full layer of zombies in the front. I feel like that might be too much. I guess until no one is attacking, your strategy is clearing the sides so you can slow down the actual left-right movement. I lost like 4 HP there. Yeah, how about we introduce hearts? This is gonna be new file. Hearts lure. Projectile. Hearts. Heart. Hearts. I don't know if that is like, is it the EH? I always forget. The TH is the fireplace. Ah, I see. How big is the heart sprite? Like 20, 22. Cool. Works. Guess make it 22 just so you can catch it easier. You're gonna only move. I don't need these. I don't need this. You're just gonna move downward -2, I guess. Yes. If yeah, it is an open bracket. Yeah. Oh, there's a helpers. So if helpers collide self player, then oh yeah, oh, if you're still here, you're gonna go, or you're gonna attend the Usagi Jam, or are you not planning to? I saw you wrote that yours doesn't feel like it is like fully complete. Not your exact words, but it is more mature, I guess. Then still delete this, but player dot health plus equals 1. And no animation. And what is this? I should know this from the game draw. 49. You should be able to over here. So this is math.max player dot at max minimum. By the way, +1 or because we are looking for the minimum of these two. The smaller border, I guess. Empty the hearts. And when an enemy dies due to HP loss, it should be somewhere here. Is it here? Yeah, we could random this, I guess. Random. Probably there is a better way to do this. Maybe tie it to like every 10th kill or 5th kill. If this is less than... Is 10% too much? I need to test it. Heart, counter, icons, acquire, heart, the hearts. Self, self.x, self.y. I don't even need anything else. These are not needed. And add it to the table. Don't forget to add it to the table. Table.insert hearts. And in the main, I guess you would want it in a way where you could pick up a hard heal before hitting a projectile, so it should be updated before. The fact that it is random is bothering me a bit. I haven't seen one yet. I hadn't messed up something. Oh yeah, I'm not drawing them. I'm pretty sure I messed up something. This should be drawn, I guess, under enemy projectiles, so it is not obstructing anything. Hurt. Well, surely at this point. I mean, that wasn't the plan. That is gonna be hard to catch, I'm not gonna lie. Catch this. So, they should not go upwards, they should come downwards. Thing is, I'm not sure how am I supposed to. I guess they should be faster than bullets. Catch it. Holy. Oh, my first hit. Give me the sweet, sweet HP. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, they do this sometimes, and I'm not sure why. That is beyond me. That is not gonna be a fix for today, yes, that's for sure. But I would love to expand this game, maybe in the future. Ah, catch it. I got double half on the last level, second to last level. I mean, one rule I somewhat have for myself. I feel like that is a good idea to have to the difficulty of your game. And I'm not sure where I heard it before, but basically, if you, the developer, so if you have a boss or an enemy, if you cannot defeat that enemy without not taking damage, then you should not expect your players to do so, like to defeat them easily. Like if you can complete your game without getting hit, then the game is like in an okay place. If you cannot complete it, I guess. Oh wait, huh? Yeah. Because you're gonna be the best at the game. So if you take damage, that means that the game is hard. Now, is it okay to have a hard game? Yes. But that is, I feel like, is a good guideline to have. I mean, we completed the game. Might tune down the rate of the hard drops. Because honestly, it's not a hard game, it's just a small little casual game. And I'm fine with that. But like, at least let my cheeks... I mean, I took damage, so it is hard for the player. So I guess it is good this way. Also, there is a auto fire mode for those who do not feel like tapping all the time. It's like a weird... I might made something wrong when I'm spawning my enemies. Am I moving them too much? I guess this is too much, right? This should be 18. Half of an enemy more. Oh, this loss is still scary AF. Oh, I see the skellies on the side stealing the water. I might tune down this last level. And I might rebind these buttons to like button 2, so as you're spamming the shoot. You are not doing this. I just need a prompt for the player. Like, hey, press this button. So this is the screen not cleared. Oh, when I go back to the menu, the screen should be cleared as well. Enemies. Projectile. How do you say projectiles? Could be. Maybe projectile. I guess I know. Projectile. Didn't use multiple. Yep. Just need to empty these out. So technically, the game is complete. So let me... If there are bugs, there are bugs. Like, what the fuck can I do? Oh, wait, is it not? Oh, it's a 1. I thought it's 2 for some reason. This is... It's maybe like a POA specific thing. I thought this is a little specific. Multi-line. Comment. Whatever. Doesn't make much difference for us. I mean, what matters to us though is... what is the secondary button? 1, 2. I need to print that for the player to know. Help us print outline. Control F. Search you butch. BTN 1. BTN 2. It is X or K? Okay. X. K to menu. I don't know where. Was it measure text? Yes. E 160 minus LAN. And where is the sprite? Oh, at 48, right? No, at 80. This is like what, 160, I guess? 160 maybe? GFX white GFX black. Duplicate the code. Lol. So this can move up by a lot. Like 120 not, because this D times 3. Why is something is wrong? I can go somewhere here. This is not though, which is weird. That should be the middle. Oh, then divided by 2. Divide by 2. And I already saw that it is too low now, so 32. I don't hear the leak speaking though. It should. I don't hear the do. Beep beep boop. 1. It's just the music. I'm not hearing it because. No, I'm not hearing it. Are you speaking in the intro? I thought you're speaking in the intro though. Intro. Oh. You are speaking here. But I'm not speaking like not speaking. That is what I mean. What did I mess up? I mean, I guess technically it could just peak all the time, but like a pitch multiplier thing? Did I mess that one up? No. It's just so deep. Wow. Because I see the desktop audio. I don't hear it. Oh, it is panned? So I don't hear it from the left side. Oh, 0 is center. Oh. Now I hear it. Okay, this might be wrong at like every other position as well. For some reason I thought of 1 is the identity here as well. Oh, every other place it is okay. Huh. Damn mighty lich. Oops. Yeah. Yep. We need a few more SFXs from Picoid. Download Picoid. Picoid. Ba-da-da-dum. I have no Picoid capture, do I? And do I? A small. I have a Pico small. I have a Pico big. Window capture existing. Oh, so I don't have one for it. Beep. Sure. Sure. Export pp lose WoW. pp lose. I lost my Picoid now. Oh, I said Picoid. I know how to finish this. Blech. My ears. I don't know how to do a victory jingle. Sure. Export pp win. WoW. I'm not doing a whole music for it. I don't have the time. Oh yeah, some kind of effect for the water pickup. It's gonna be weird. Probably need like some explosion somewhere just to grab the attention of the player. Sure. Export pp water WoW. And if I move this to a different instrument, this can be export pp hard WoW, the hard pickup sound. Back to here. Now find the Pico8 directory, which I need to pin, honestly. name, Lux lawful, picoid, cards, date modified, lose, win, heart, yes, give me these. Music, no, prone, protect, SFX, cool. Get rid of picoid. So, SFX, play, PP, lose. No, not my PP. PP, lose. Main. SFX, PP, win. Barslua, SFX, play, PP, art. Don't forget this, PP, art. And when the enemy picks up a water bucket, there, SFX, play, PP, water, snooze the ends. Oh, sorry, wrong window. So let him pick up water. Yeah. I like those sounds. Anyway. So let's lose. Set these to start from the intro and then export. I think we're done. If not, if something happens, blame the player, right? That's how it goes. Intro. Yeah, now we can test that. I need to finish the website as well first. I need to write up how the game works. Don't look, spoilers. Don't look, close your eyes. There's just no skip button. Oh, I did not hear the music start. I'm so angry. Okay, I don't care. If something bad happened, it happened. If it happened, it happened. I forgot how the export command works though. Export. Usagi export. Oh, Usagi export. It is just Usagi export. Cool. What I do want to check though is WebZip. Ugh. How to set the background color for this? How to see if I can do that. GameDev. Usagi Pond Protect Export. WebZip. Index.html. Hello, Graham. Can you not open a file from zip? Oh, come on. Really? Open with UV application, Graham, select. There you go. Background. Is that 0? It also says 0 here. Button. Yeah, I don't care about the button. Swear to God, it was not black. Look. Or was my color not black that I use? How is this black? That's not black. Oh, I guess the inactive color is not black until I run it. How does this work with autoplay for gore? It goes to click to play. Okay, that's fine. I guess that's better then. Cool. And for pursuing is a gamejam 5 with the team. Protect. I don't know if there is a bug. Someone will surely find one. Move your little frog to avoid enemy fire and do not allow the lich to grab enough water. Move around with left, right. X, J. Shoot, right? It is X and J, if I remember correctly. No, it's not X, it is the... It is YZ. Yeah. Depending on your stupid keyboard. Y/Z should and navigate for J, navigate menu. What was that? Why did this reset? Lovely. The team protect. Move these. Move the heroic frog around. Snipe enemies. And do not let them gather enough water. Save just in case. Left, right, move around. left, right, AD, move around, Y, Z, or J, shoot and create menu. X, K, menu, navigation, devlogs. Did I write a devlog about this? No. So YouTube Studio it is. YouTube, Usagi GameDev. Playlist, using Pixels Jam. You can watch most most of the development. But embedded the playlist, cool. Csöndi, Fletch and Nerdy Teachers, big coffee button, subgenre. Is there shoot 'em up? Shooter? No AI, fuck AI. Shmoop. How's it called? Shoot 'em up. Usagi. Retro. I don't know. Farming Simulator 25. That surely is its own. I guess 30x by 32. 32 x 32. Game Jam. Is that no Game Jam game? No. Whatever, enough. Just shooter. Arcade maybe? Whatever. Comments. Mobile friendly, blah blah blah. So now web, and we will upload the others later. I mean, I guess there's nothing stopping me from load Windows, Mac, Linux. There's an Usagi file. What is an Usagi file? I don't know. Include it. Change display name. Pond product gem. Sure. Pond protect. Usagi pond protect. Pond protect. Usagi. Off the corner. Welcome. Hiding. Pond protect. What is this? Forgot. Usagi. Bond protect Usagi file. Bond protect Windows and oh, so it's fine. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? How you doing? Windows build. I was like, I remember that name somewhere. Hiding. You had a nice day. This is macOS. Bond protect macOS. OS build. Bond protect Linux Arch zip. I'm fine with zip there. Bond protect X. Getting ready for the bed. It's getting late for me. Just popped in to say hi. Thank you. And hope you have a lovely rest of your stream. I'm finishing up soon because it is just 3 minutes past midnight. And I work tomorrow. So this needs to be finished. Oh my god. I just got sucked in too much into Albion Online. And play that instead of actually doing the game jam. Oh, I don't have screenshots. Oh my god, no screenshots. No. Usagi Dev. Spoilers. Spoilers. Close your eyes. Have a good night. Thank you for jumping in. I cannot count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give 2. Oh, I cannot skip anymore. I forgot that we removed skipping levels. I know you cannot properly see this. I'm just grabbing stuff for screenshots and such. Afternoons. Oh, give me HP, thank you. There you go. Boop. Boop. That it? Oh, is that it? Who are you talking to? No. Boop, boop. Well. Move up. Move up. Move up. Move up. Move down. Move down. I guess move up. This is a GIF. Oh, that GIF GIF. Oh my god, Nerdy poisoned my mind. I cannot believe. Nerdy shakes face into the air. Oh yeah, I need to make a YouTube trailer as well. No. That might be like a tomorrow thing, I'm not gonna lie. Save. Oh, and I don't have an image. Boring escape. Okay, we are drawing something quickly. Sprite. File, new. 128. 128. Pico 8. Dark background layer, new layer. Hold on. I can grab this from here. Oops. Not the whole thing, we use this one. The C, Control V. Move you over here. Shift H. Can I not rotate in his sprite? I thought I can. This is just up here, I guess. Angle 15. No. So hold on. This is back. No. New talk V file. Is there like a sprite size? Lock ratio 2. Ok. Control C, Control V. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Shift. The other one. Rotate by like 10. 15. Clean this up a bit. It's very messy. Looking at a rotation algorithm. I tried. I know. Let's add your station. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Pum, pum. Pum. Plum. Hi, not that bad. Okay, redo. There we go. We need a brave frog. New sprites, precise, lock ratio 2. Okay, configure froggy. Reduce it a bit, and I need to get the bow into a different angle though. Like nope. New. I'll move you down. I'll copy some skellies. Oh, this doesn't say prompt protect anywhere. Oh. New layer. Eco 8 monosure pond. Oh, that is so small. That's what she said. Oh, that's too big. That's not what she said. Somewhere in the middle. 24. Nope, that's not gonna fit. Stop it. Pond. Pond. Hmm. Oh yeah, and it should be like this. Can I just... Bro. Oh shit, that is so big. Pond. Ah. Remove this. Where is it, Kelly? Remove this, Kelly. Come back here. Pond. Row. Act. That protect doesn't work there. So there's Kelly up here. And try type here. Pro. This is too big of a stencil. Pro. Act. Okay. Clean it up a bit. Magic bullshit. Universe. Edit effects outline. Outside. Oh, this is not what I want to select. Modify, expand. There. On protect. You are on a different layer. I'm drawing on all kinds of layers though. It's anything but optimal. I don't know what that is over there. About that works for me. Protect, each asset. Thumbnail, not thumbnail, but cover, I guess is the better term. Control Shift X. Export. 4x, yes. I will finish this. Inkscape. Oh, I opened the wrong file. Open recent Usagi release temp SVG. Yes. Did it find? No. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're gonna do it this way. There we go. Find this image. GameDev, Usagi, all protect, each set, thumbnail PNG, which. Looks like I will need a black rectangle. And I don't like this color, and I'm not sure what to replace it. This one. Oh, that green is not bad. Sure, for now works. Thumbnails, font, protect, PNG, edit web page, upload cover image, coffee, thumbnail, font, protect. Save. Metadata, input method, keyboard, exhaust controller, generic bullshit controller, where is it? Gamepad any, every session duration, few minutes, multiplayer support, no, player count 1, languages, English, accessibility, configure controls, has no sensitive content, engine tools, Usagi engine. Oh, it doesn't. It just doesn't know this yet. Oops. Run Usagi. Release info. I forgot which I should. Let's put it. code, MIT, asset license, share alike, non-commercial, release date, no, external links, Codeberg, page, coffee. Pom pom. Save, promo images, social media image, the thumbnail works. Oh, favicon, where is the frog image? From each sprite. Copy C. New, yes, copy V. Trash, favicon. Control Shift F, favicon. Favicon. Nincs. Sose fogom befejezni ezt a szart. Usagi. Pod Protect, favicon. Oh, logo. I don't have a logo. No. We can make one quickly. Sprite. Grab the Pond Protect. Text. Oh yeah. Grab the Pond Protect text. New. I was just uploading stuff before. Pond Protect. Big away. Give me a big frog. That's might be too much. No, you know, like. Modify. Expand. I forgot to invert it. Select, inverse, modify, expand one, new layer, put it below. Now you can color it in. Hold on, I guess no. Yes. Delete. I want this. Now I can do the same. Select, inverse, select, modify, order, go. Give me a new layer. That's not outside. Invert. Oh. Inverse, select, modify, border. Is it going inside? Oh, I went the other way. Brain tired. File. Save logo. File, export as. Nay. Export, yes. Up. Save changes. Edit game, view page. Oh. Oh, I exported. Hold on. Just so I can show you. I have to re-export again. I exported with the. So I'm not hearing sounds. That's not great. So set this to intro. Usagi export. Export web. You know what? Delete everything from here. Delete. Usagi export. Browser knock it shouldn't be. But also, let me re-upload because it was the wrong upload anyway. Oh, yes. 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 Yes, I want to delete it. Thank you. I'm not gonna rename these. Delete. But also quickly check one of these web builds. One of the builds. GameDev, 3, protect, export, extract. Why would you run it, of course? It doesn't like it this way. You can upload the same name and it will replace it. Really? I did not know that. What the hell? TIL. Edit game. Upload. Export. Open. Linux. Almo. This will be played in the browser. Windows. Save. View page. Loading for the first time. Now it has sound. Weird. Oh, the music starts at the wrong point. Player lure. Find the music. Yes, music loop. Yep. Grab this, and it goes to update intro. Where's it? I forgot where I do. I said this. Game state equals menu. Game state dot menu. Menu all finished. Player blast. Yes, this a bit. One more export. Just for good measure, because I never trust these. You should trust the developer. I don't care. Usagi export. And you say I can just go here, do upload file. Oh, DIL. Thank you. And it kept the settings as well. Yo. It did not keep this one. So this will be played in the browser one. I don't think I should run into like performance issues. If I remember correctly, you said that you got auto mode complaints on it. This game should be that intensive at any point, so hopefully not. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. I get it. Oh, there you go. Cool. Ah, that is it. I don't care. Edit game. Blah 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 blah. Public. Save. The page. Recently updated. Yeah. Where is my Discord? Don't protect. Guys out. Don't break it, please. I'm not fixing. Till tomorrow. Whoop. Final submission. People put it here, but isn't it to here? I think it should go here. I'm pinged. But just not make a global variable at your music play ex. There is no I'm using loop. That doesn't have an ex. Transform S4S. I'm aware. Bomb. Off the peak bus your game. Made a small little game for the PPJJGG. Check the frog out. Okay. I should be able to open this in incognito because it is published. Just to be sure. Won't protect. There we go. It's lagging as I scroll. Hopefully only because I have like so many things open on my PC at the same time. Close these. Yeah. Thank you everyone who was with me till the very end. Don't break the game. If you break the game, play the game broken. I'm not fixing it tomorrow. Oh yeah, link is here. You can check it out. For YouTube, it will be down in the description. And a more detailed video coming soon later on like code, because I just skipped over a lot of stuff. Which I don't like. I would love to like explain some code. Whatever. Thank you everyone who tuned in. I really have to go shower and sleep because 12:30, like 12:30, 1:30 midnight, I don't know. Still shower time. Thank you guys who tuned in. Take care. See you tomorrow for playing the gem games. Same time as usual. There, at the bottom of the screen. Check it out. Come. We're gonna play games. Bye bye.